What is acne? Acne, also called pimples, is an inflammatory disease of the sebaceous glands of the skin, which are blocked due to the overproduction of sebum. The sebum, hair, and dead skin allow bacteria to grow and cause acne. Acne can also be caused due to excessive production of oil from skin, increased production of androgens, hormonal imbalance in females, and also due to the use of some cosmetics having high oil content. Heredity too plays an important role in causing acne. Signs and symptoms of acne: whiteheads, blackheads, papules, pustules. What are the causes of acne? In order to understand what causes acne, we need to understand what happens when our pores get clogged. The pores that contain hair follicles on the skin surface become clogged when there is excess production of oil by the cells that get accumulated along with dead skin cells. The oil combines with bacteria and produces a pimple or a whitehead. The white blood cells that are present in our blood begin to attack this excess oil, which leads to swelling, redness, inflammation, itching, and pain. As the infection spreads, the debris in the whitehead oxidizes to form a blackhead. If the infection persists, they can cause scarring of the skin. Types of acne. Acne vulgaris. Acne vulgaris occurs when hair follicles get plugged with sebum and debris. Vulgaris means common. Hence, acne vulgaris is the most common type of acne, which includes whiteheads, blackheads, nodules, papules, and pustules. Acne rosacea. Rosacea means redness. Acne rosacea appears red in color and is confined to cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Acne conglobata. Acne conglobata is a severe form of acne vulgaris found mostly in males. Conventional treatment for acne. Treatment available is antibiotics, bactericidal ointments, hormonal therapy, and other ointments depending on the need of an individual. The scars, which do not heal, are treated by expensive laser treatment. Chlorophyll role in treatment of acne. Some school of thought also suggests using chlorophyll water to heal acne. They use chlorophyll for skin whitening, chlorophyll for removing scars, etc. However, experts say it is no more than a plain water therapy. There is no benefit of chlorophyll for treatment of acne. How to get rid of acne fast? Homeopathy is the most natural system of medicine. Best homeopathic medicines for acne helps you to get rid of acne fast. Top 10 homeopathic medicines for acne. Salicia, Haper sulf, gunpowder, sorinum, selenium, rust ox, sulfur iod, sulfur, sanguinarial, kali brom. These are just a few indicated homeopathic medicines for acne. A piece of advice from a professional homeopathic doctor near you is always recommended to achieve the best homeopathic treatment for acne. Homeocare's approach. Homeopathy treats the cause from its internal essence. The commonest cause of acne is hormonal imbalances or some digestive disturbances that creates disharmony in the body. This is reflected externally on the skin in the form of acne. Homeopathic medicine treats the causes from its root by maintaining the hormone levels in the body that is reflected in the form healthy and acne-free skin. Homeopathic medicines reach the root cause of acne. For this, a detailed case taking is done at Homeocare. Best homeopathic medicines for acne also reduce the stubborn scar marks, for which laser treatment is advised conventionally. Classical homeopathy practiced at Homeocare makes sure that you are treated in the gentlest possible manner. Homeocare's success. We have successfully treated many cases of acne. A 22 years old girl came to us with suppurative acne which she had suffered due to stress at home. Therefore, she had stopped going to college out of embarrassment and had quit her studies of engineering, rendering these incomplete. But after taking medicine, she started improving, regained confidence and rejoined her college within 3 months and was absolutely normal. Homeocare gave her the happiness to look into the mirror with a renewed confidence. Now look at your skin the way you always wanted, only with Homeocare.